Hi, Jody. Well, we know that tax season is upon us here, and while many advisors want to partner with CPAs, centers of influence, what CPAs really need is strategies for their clients to help them plan strategically for taxes. And as also as advisors, we take our responsibilities very seriously. We want to keep more in our clients' pockets. So having some techniques, some strategies that can really change the end game for a client from a tax standpoint is just huge. And that's really where the opportunity is, especially at this time of year, because taxes are on folks' minds. Have you had any discussions with advisors lately that kind of ring true to my thoughts?
I agree. This is an opportunity to help the CPA see your value. Oftentimes, an advisor or an agent goes to the CPA looking to form some sort of partnership, hat in hand. Why not go to that CPA with your client and say, listen, here's a planning recommendation, here's the reasons why. And then it shows you as a valuable advisor, not just looking for referrals. In fact, there's a strategy that you shared with me. Can you share that strategy that you heard as one idea? And then I have a case study actually.
Yeah, it's a taxed gain harvesting. Usually we think of tax loss harvesting, but tax gain harvesting is actually looking at a client's portfolio in years in which they will be at a low tax bracket. Can you peel off and kind of reset their cost basis by possibly selling a position at a gain, realize that gain at that low cost basis, reinvest the funds, and you can do so immediately. The wash sale does not apply, and therefore, later when that client goes to sell, possibly they're in a higher tax bracket. And
Mm-hmm.
now they're going to have less of a cost basis to have to settle up with the IRS with.
Or their kids are going to inherit it at a time when they're maxing out their earning potential. A recent situation we had on tax planning, working with a CPA, had a client that's younger than 65 that wanted to manage their income so that they could qualify for tax credits for health insurance. So we deployed actually $1 million into an annuity to defer that interest income, which would have dropped the client below the threshold so that now they're able to get some of that tax credit money. So once again, just thinking outside the box with the tools that we are intimately familiar with, but they really don't understand, can show our value to them. Bianca, if somebody wants to reach out and hear more of your ideas, how would they do that?
Pick up the phone, give me a call, 860-956-5377, or email me at bianca@jegoss.com, and I welcome the conversation.
Thanks for your time, Bianca. Always a pleasure, and have a great rest of your week.
Sounds good. Take care, Jody.